Okay, I want you to check this out. There is a new hairline topper by UniWigs, and it's called the Harper. It's a full lace with silicone pads, and it has the halo wire that is also adjustable. Very simple. You just gently pull here and here. And to put it on, just depends on how you like to do it. You could put your hair in a ponytail or just leave it down. Actually, make sure my hair is back. Don't have much hair left in the front, which is why I need this Harper. And voila, I've got hair in the front again. Look at this, it's so lightweight, so breathable, and the hair is just amazing. It feels so good. You just blend it like so. Literally check out this hairline. Isn't that incredible? It really, it's unbelievable. Just pull out some of my bio hair here, blend, like so. It gives the density that matches perfectly with my bio hair. And because it's human hair, you can curl it. It just perfectly adds volume. I also love to wear it back. I wear it back kind of like in a up twist, but I also will just kind of take some of the front, like so. I love the look of having, you know, like these wispier type bangs. Haven't been able to do that. I can do this again, yay! And it feels so secure. I mean, look at this, unbelievable. Super, super secure. And you're ready for your daily activities. Look at this. It's not moving anywhere. You're ready to go. It works great too to pull everything up, put it in a kind of up in a clip. It's extremely versatile. I was really excited when this came out because for any of us that don't need a full topper at this time, this is a great, great option. I'm so glad. I am so glad I found this. So I want to share it with you all. You don't have to worry. You don't have to hide under hats. Get your hairline back.